Comes to formatting text, students often ask and wonder about hyphenation as one of the most popular tools available.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
When formatting a text, students often ask about hyphenation, which can fix issues with extra spaces that may occur when copying and pasting. For instance, if you have an extra space between the word system like this, you can easily fix it using the hyphenation tool. I can come here, hyphenation, it has automatic or manual. I recommend always leaving automatic. Automatically it made this break, it just didn't do it here because the text, it gave space in the case. Because usually the words, for example, when you copy a document from the internet, it stays like this. It has this space here in the middle. Then automatically you need to make this adjustment. Let me remove none here, and here now I'm going to format, for example, put centralized and put the hyphenation resource, automatic. Here the words were formatted nicely, which reduced the empty space in the document.